Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find duplicate into column. So let us say I have two columns, column A and column C, and I want to find the values of column A which gets repeated in column C. So there are two methods to do that, and each method has their own advantage and disadvantage. So let us start with the first method, which is very easy. To find a duplicate or to highlight the duplicate between columns, select both the columns where you want to find or highlight the duplicates. Just hover to the top of the column and then press Ctrl to select the entire column, and then press Ctrl and then select the second column too. Now once both the columns are selected, go to the Home tab and in conditional formatting, click on highlight cell rules and then click on duplicate values. So it will highlight duplicate values and you can format the way it highlights, right? So you can click on this drop down and you can select any one of these pre-built format, or you can also choose your own custom format. You can select the fill color, you can select the border, you can select font and number and all those formatting things. So I'm going to go ahead with the default one, and this is very easy way to highlight duplicates. The disadvantage of this method is it will highlight duplicates value, but it will not choose whether the duplicate value is in the same list or another. For example, let us say I have China in this list, right? And if I add China in the same list again, it will highlight this cell, it will highlight China, but both the duplicates are in the same column. If you want to use this method, you have to make sure that the column does not have duplicate values. Now I'm going to clear this formatting to show you the second method. The second method does not have that disadvantage, but you have to use one formula for that. So let us say I want to highlight cell if it is available in the list 2. If it is available, I will highlight it, otherwise I will keep it as it is. So you can do this by using a formula, and that formula you can apply it to a conditional formatting. First, select the range of values to which you want to apply conditional formatting. So I'm selecting these values. You go to the Home tab and click on conditional formatting, then click on new rule. Here you can apply your own formula for formatting. To do that, click on use formula to determine which cells in format values. Where this formula is true, type equal to match. We are going to use match formula, and now I want to see if the current cell is available in the next list, and I want to use this formula, apply this formula to each and every cell of the selection. To do that, you just have to click the first cell and make sure that it is not locked. Press F4 or remove dollars so that only the first cell is selected without locking column or row. Then I want to search this value in the entire list or in the entire column C. So I select entire column C and I lock it, and then 0 for exact match, and then close the bracket. Now I want to select the formatting style. So to do that, click on format. You can select any of the formatting style like number, font, border and fill. So in this video, I'm just going to go ahead with filling the cell with yellow color. Click OK and click OK, and then you can see all the cells which are there in the column C are highlighted with yellow. So this is dynamic, so I can add China here, and you can see the China cell also gets highlighted. These are the two methods by which you highlight cell if it is there in another list. That's all in this video. I hope this video was useful, and if that's the case, please let me know by pressing the like button. And if you want to see more such videos on Microsoft Excel, Word and PowerPoint, then you can consider subscribing to my channel and press the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any of my future tips and tricks.